Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to change the order of display in cross-sections. In this video, you will learn order of display in cross-sections. When cross-sections are created in the section module of ESurvey CADD, the bands in the cross-section drawing appear in the order set by the software. For example, the offset distance band will be the bottommost band. Users have the freedom to change the order in which bands appear in the cross-section drawing. To change the order of the bands, go to Settings and select Cross-section Layers from the tree view. Click on the Order button. The Setting Layer Order in Drawing window will appear. Use the up and down buttons to change the display order. Close the Settings window. When you preview the cross-section drawing, the bands in the cross-section will appear according to the order you have set. Similarly, you can change the order of bands for longitudinal sections as well. In the next video, you will learn how to change or control the datum of each cross-section. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.